Hello everybody, my name is Brisbits01 and welcome back to another LEGO review. And today we're going to be reviewing the LEGO Marvel Superheroes Captain America Civil War. So basically this is the scene whenever a superhero from Team Iron Man, from Team Captain America are fighting in the, the airport, I guess you can say. Wow, I don't believe they fought in an airport. That's pretty crazy. So this is your age. You have to be 6 to 12, and this is 76067, and it comes with a lot of pieces. And this is the truck Takedown. Yeah. So let's go ahead and look at the back real quick. And so basically you'll have a special super jump. Yeah, so let me go ahead and turn this right here. Alright. Okay, you guys, so let's go ahead and build this thing. Let's do this. Oh, yeah. Don't worry, guys. We're still building. We got one more bag right here, and we'll go ahead and finish off this bad boy, and we'll be good to go. Stick with me, alright, guys? Please make sure you leave a like after the end of this video. Hey, ladies and gentlemen, it's finally finished. Yeah, sorry about that. About that right there, yeah, that kind of gave me a hard time. So basically, I didn't want to record that one. So I basically skipped that one. Skip that one, if you know what I mean. This one, the flag pulley thing or something. I really don't care. It's from the airport scene. I get it. So anyway, here's the truck thing, and I don't know if it was in the movie or not, but because I seen the movie, because I don't remember seeing this. But anyway, so if you turn this, boom, the fire's coming out. You know, like if somebody like shot a laser to it or something and made it blow up or something. So yeah, like this part comes off when this pops out. When this pops out. Alright, please get in there. Alright. And this comes off easily, so it can drive by itself, but you can stick it right back on if you want to. So yeah, let's go ahead and get on with the main characters. So here is your winner from the Captain America Civil War movie, Captain America himself, Steve Rogers. Yeah, he basically beat Iron Man, so he won. You suck, Iron Man. No offense, buddy, but I wish you give Captain America some respect. So that's kind of it. So here's Hawkeye, and you know I really don't get about this figure. I mean, I don't hate this figure. I love the suit and everything. It looks so cool, but why do you have to give him another Steve Rogers? Why do you have to give him a face like that? You know that's supposed to be Steve Rogers' face, right? Not Hawkeye. Not Hawkeye. Like, what if Hawkeye was Captain America and Hawkeye was Captain America? That wouldn't make no sense. I prefer don't do this face ever again, please. That's for Captain America, not for Hawkeye. Please don't give it to anybody else. Now I got him out of the way. Let's put Hawkeye down. I'm tired of standing my figures on the floor. I might have to do it on a table next time. But here is the new Spider-Man. I love the new Spider-Man. He looks pretty cool. I can't wait to use him in one of my videos. And here's the old, not the old Spider-Man suit, but I almost said, sorry. This is the back, the red thing on his back, the red spider, like the old original Spider-Man you always has in the movies and comics and stuff like that. Yeah. I love the new Spider-Man suit. I love the new actor for Spider-Man. He looks pretty cool. Love it. And you get Vision. The same version from, well, you know, the same version from good old terrible movie that I will never see, The Avengers, Age of Ultron. God, that movie freaking sucked. Thank gosh I didn't see it, because in my opinion it sucked. Because a superhero died, I wasn't happy about that, yeah. So, yeah, I wish they made a different version of him, maybe, I don't know. I know he was supposed to look like this in the movie, but I wish they'd give him an upgrade. That'd be pretty nice. So, yeah, I think that's kind of it. And then you take this little super jump thingy and you fling it and then hit this part right there and then boom, all this falls out and stuff. But for now, I'm not going to demonstrate it to you because you can demonstrate it to yourself. Just watch somebody else's video and just do what they're doing. So yeah, and you get the exact same extra pieces just in case. And there's more extra pieces in here, in this little box thingy that Division's cake came in. Yeah, so there's a bunch of these. Not really interested, but yeah. So this is Hawkeye's motorcycle, the Avengers logo, and all that type of stuff. Yeah, I think that is it. So thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you guys next time. And why not hitting that subscribe button? But make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're new only. So see you guys later, and I'll see you at the next Lego you know what I mean, you know, the Lego review. Yeah, that's it. Okay, yeah. So I'm gonna get going now. So see you guys. Peace.